Hello everyone, welcome to another SemRush tutorial video. In this video, I will show you how to check keyword difficulty in SemRush. Now, as you can see, we have Keyword Magic tool. Before we start, obviously you can get a free 14-day trial with our first link down below in the description. But as you can see, first of all, right here, what we can do is we can check the keyword difficulty in SemRush by first typing in the keyword. Now, as you can see, we have a couple of keywords right here, how to buy Audible books, movies, stuff like that. So we can go here and basically just put in, for example, iPhone, and let's hit enter. And as you can see right here, we'll see the keywords, we'll see the intent, we'll see the volume, the trend, and then we have keyword difficulty. Now, how can we check if a keyword is difficult to rank for in SEMrush? Now, as you can see right here, keyword difficulty shows you how hard it would be for a website to rank organically in the Google top 10 for the analyzed keyword. The higher the percentage, the harder it will be to achieve high rankings. Now, if you click here, and if we double click, actually, you will get the best possible or very easy keywords to rank for. So as you can see, you have 24 gold, iPhone 14 Pro. As you can see right here, this is very easy. The chance to start ranking new pages is very easy. If we go here and if we click once again, we'll see that this is very hard. So basically what you want to do is you want to have more volume here. At the same time, with more volume, you need to have less KD or less percentage of keyword difficulty. And that will basically be the best keyword that you can get. And then CPC, if a CPC is high enough, then that is the perfect keyword, right? For example, if you click here, you can see that we have 70 volume, and then we have it's very easy to rank, but again, like no one is actually no one is actually producing this type of keyword. So what you want to see is you want to see who is actually searching for these keywords, and then is it easy to rank or hard to rank for them. So that's basically how you can check keyword difficulty in SEMrush. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.